my corn pop up in rows.
Welcome back, YouTube. Today's life hack on index cards, along with putting new tires on my truck. I took the tires off already with a tire machine, put the new tires on. They are Firestones. It's Firestone radial tires. Got them for dirt cheap. They're brand new. They still have the little thing sticking out on them a little bit, if you can see them. They're still sticking up. Brand new tires. Got them dirt cheap. But here's the life hack on these index cards. So I cleaned up the rims. I used my wire brush on my drill and cleaned up around the rim. This one I haven't touched yet. Got all this rust and stuff off and bubbles. Then I went over it with this lacquer thinner. Clean that up with this rag. Got that nice and dirty looking. It doesn't look pretty anymore. Guess it looks really rusty, but. And here's what the life hack looks like. I just took the index cards and stuck them in vertically all around the tire to prevent paint getting onto the tire. See? I did a great effort. Excellent effort. Okay, let's paint it. Here's the paint I chose for my rims. Rust Tough Enamel. I basically call it Mexican chrome. I don't know if that's against anybody, but that's what I've heard it been called. Chinese chrome, whatever. It's cheap chrome. That's all you're supposed to get out of that name. It's a little cold today, about 40 degrees. I already used it once. And it's looking better already. I got my air gun with a little extension from brake line and we added on. And I just cleaned up this room. Now it's ready for the lacquer thinner, and then I can stick the index cards in it and paint it. You could also use a sandblaster, which I have, but I'm not going to use it and make a big mess for this truck. This is not a show truck. Look, it has duct tape on it. Because the light fell off of it. I hit a speed bump. Another thing, I was driving down a pretty fast road and I lost power steering, I lost power brakes, and I also lost my alternator and I lost my engine coolant. And there was this funny noise hitting the fan under the hood. I wonder what the heck that was. And come to school, this belt was not on, it's wrapped up underneath the hood. It was way down there. This power steering pump right here, brand new, from Advanced Auto. The shaft broke in it. Let's see if I can remember where I threw that pump. Threw the pump in the scrap pile here somewhere. Like 10 minutes ago, not even. I don't remember where I put it. Oh, here it is. Here's the pump, and of course the insides are gone. There they are, way in the bottom there. Here's the casing. But the shaft broke in the pump. That's the old pump for my truck. The power steering pump shaft broke, and on these 3/4 ton Chevys, the power steering also supplies power to the brakes. It's called Hydro Boost. And a 1/2 ton Chevy is a 1500 series. They're vacuum boost off the engine. So I had the benefit of losing my brakes along with my steering. So I drove about 5-10 miles without engine coolant and made a big mess under the hood. We gotta see if it loses antifreeze out the tailpipe, and if the oil gets milky, see if we've blown a head gasket or cracked the block for overheating it. We'll see. After that fiasco, I probably should have just pulled over and called it dead on the side of the road, but my ego was too big for that. Like, found on road dead, that's a Ford thing. Chevys don't, you don't find Chevys on the side of the road, and I was going to live up to that. I made it to school. I got this rim all painted up, looking pretty nice and shiny. Looks like a brand new chrome rim. I'm gonna put 2 more coats of paint on it after this one's tacks up. Here's with the caps. Doesn't look very nice looking, does it? And I just wiped it off with lacquer thinner too, so this is just the rust and the nasty paint. I'm gonna take this and put this on the tacky paint, and you'll see the difference. So stick that and line it up. That's a lot better. It's like a brand new rim. I really wish I could get those aluminum rims though. I want to put 265 R16s instead of 245s, but that's like I think it's going to be $800 for a set of those with aggressive tread like I want. And also in this video, I'll be painting the frame here again, and the leaf springs and the brake calipers while I got everything undone. I can get to it. I put copper-based Loctite never sees on the thread, so then I can get the wheels off next time. Real easy. So I'm gonna paint these, hoping I got some red paint. If not, I'll just paint them black with spray can. And then I'm gonna paint the frame and the leaf springs all black like it is. I painted this when the wheels are on, so you can see here that's kind of difficult to get. I got the rims all painted, new tires on. Cleaned up the tires a little bit with some soapy water. Got the covers on. Painted the calipers red. Painted the frame. We're all set. I think I'll hit this exhaust pipe too. All everything's set. And now I got some deep, gnarly tread for this winter. Covered up my fingernail. I'd probably bury a whole penny, not just Abraham's head. It's time to pick up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment on how you like the life hack I shared with you guys. Have a good winter.
Middle of nowhere, they've never drove through Indiana. Met the man who plowed that earth, planted that seed, busted his ass for you and me. You're called a harvest moon in Kansas, and they'd understand why God made those flowers.